Good morning, student. This is our class MSc Final Year Analytical Chemistry. Today's our topic paper chromatography. In short form, we can say PC. This is the very simple and ancient type of chromatography which is used for identify the chlorophyll in plant, paper chromatography used for the identifying the component of a mixture. Chromatography is a method for separating mixture into their components based on physical and chemical properties of the component. The chromatography developed around 1903 by the Russian Mikhail Semenovich Sweat, in which he separated plant pigment on diatomaceous earth with alcohol. Uses for the chromatography. Chromatography can be used to qualitative analyze the components of a mixture. How many types of the components are present in a mixture? We separate out by the chromatography, and qualitative identify the components of a mixture using non-compounds. And a quantitative determine the amount of a component in a mixture using standard sample, and purify individual component by separating them from the other compounds in a mixture. The basics of the chromatography. Mixture is placed on a stationary phase. We already known about this. The two phases are in the spectroscopy, in the chromatography. First is the stationary and second is the mobile. So mixture is placed on stationary phase. At first phase is stationary phase where mixture is placed, and mobile phase passes over the stationary phase. Mobile phase dissolve the components. Mobile phase carries the individual components a certain distance through the stationary phase depending on their attraction to both of the phase. This is a paper. This is a Wattmann filter paper. This is also like as a filter paper, but is a high quality filter paper. We draw a baseline, we known as origin line also, and three spots on baseline. This baseline is draw a sharp pointer, and this is the points of solute spot in different color, but always are not there. There are colorless also. After this Whatman filter paper, put it in the spotted paper in developed tank. This tank known as spotted paper. This tank known as developing tank, which are used for put the spotted paper or a Whatman paper. After fill in solvent, we already know about solvents. Solvents are two types: polar solvent and non-polar. Polar solvents are dissolved for polar compound, and non-polar are non-polar for non-polar compound. Generally, we use polar solvent is ethyl alcohol and non-polar solvent is benzene, which is very cheaper and available easily in every lab. But always are not used of these type of solvents. A lot of solvents are there, like as distilled water also is a solvent, methyl alcohol also a solvent, petroleum ether, acetone, normal hexane, ethyl alcohol benzene, and acetic ester, acetone. After some time, solvents are grow up on supported Whatman filter paper, or top line is solvent front, and on mid phase three types of the spots which are used in this practical. These are chromatographed spots. In this, we easily say that a orange type of spots are less soluble and green spots are more soluble comparatively to red spot, and blue spots are more soluble comparatively green spot. So three spots are easily calculated by RF value, but in this we use three types of spot, but we use a mixture of three type of spot, then we find exact on this position. After we calculate by RF value, what is the RF value? RF ratio of the spot distance to solvent front distance. Principle of chromatography. Capillary action. The moment of liquid within the spaces of porous material due to the forces of adhesive, cohesive, and surface tension. The liquid is able to move up the filter paper because its attractions to itself is stronger than the force of gravity. Solubility: the degree to which a material dissolves into a solvent. Solute dissolve into solvent that have similar properties. This allows different solutes to be separated by different combinations of solvent. Separation of components depend on both their solubility in mobile phase and their differential affinity to the mobile phase and the stationary phase. Investigations. What can be investigation by this technique? What dyes are in the food colors? This type of the sports which are have different RF value. Preparing the chromatography paper. Obtain a 7 into 8 cm of the chromatographic paper. With the pencil, draw a origin line 1 centimeter above the bottom edge of the strip near the top. ID the chromatogram. Mark the origin line with a landmark each centimeter. No line can be closer than about 1 centimeter from the edge. These are shown in chromatographic paper and 3 spots on origin line, which is the 1 centimeter from the edge. Preparing the chromatographic paper. ID each lane and report what each lane is supported with. Place a spot from each solution on the origin. More than one strip may be required to analyze all the solution. Developing the chromatograms. Add chromatographic solvents to sufficient large beaker to a depth of less than 1 centimeter. Place the spotted paper in the beaker carefully. Ensure the solutions does not go above the origin line. Develop the chromatogram until the solvent front is about 2 centimeter from the top of the paper. Remove the chromatogram and placed on a paper towel. Trace the solvent from with pencil and let the chromatogram dry in the oven for a few minutes. After the chromatogram is dry, calculate the retention factor or retardation factor RF and tabulate the value. Determine the dye content of each of the unknown. Small spots are generally better but harder. This is the consideration. Small spots are generally better but harder to see after developing. Ultraviolet lamps, if available, can burn your eyes, but UV ultraviolet is stopped by the plastic of your goggles. Ultraviolet lamps are low power, but extended exposure can cause a mild burn. Don't eat the M&Ms. They have been in the lab a while. Writing procedure proposal. Clearly state that experimental method and how those procedure will yield solutions to the problem addressed in the investigation. State Second is state what data you plan to collect and how you will analyze the data. And next is include proposed data tables. And next state all the material you plan to use, including, if possible, concentration and quantities. Describe the safety hazards associated with your analysis and appropriate precautions you will take to avoid personal injury. Each team member must sign and date the procedure proposal before turning it in. This is the writing procedure, and this is paper chromatography, which is a part of the chromatography, but this chromatography have a consuming time because solutions are run on what one filter paper and takes so many time. But we already studied that TLC, thin layer chromatography. The chromatography is low time consuming, less time consuming, but paper chromatography is usually used for distribution of mixture in plants, pigments, chlorophyll, and dyes also. Dear students, you use my channel or chemistry class on YouTube, and my channel you like, share and subscribe also, and complete assignment and write your PDF notes on your fair copy for use in your yearly examination and in use in after MSc in research time, because TLC is primary tool for the research. Thank you. Thank you so much.